bitch. Like, look at that shine. Like, look at that natural shine. Like, oh, get lost in the hoodie type of hair.
Sorry. Oh, don't tell me that.
Ooh,
Not the hoodie.
get lost in the hoodie type of hair. Hey guys, so it is Thursday. I just did a review for this luscious hair. Yo, waiting on this hair was ridiculous. 2 more packages on the way. I got another hoodie. Obviously, like, this is just, it's the quality for me. I'm helping another client today at the beauty supply store because I'm doing her full locks tomorrow, so you guys will see that. And then I always take you guys to work. I always take you guys to work, but it depends on what client I have, if I can film it, you feel me? But I will catch you guys a little later. Hey all you cool cats and kittens. So I have my makeup on because I haven't washed my face yet. First of all, let's get into this hair. Period poo. Either way. I just got home. I've been home for like a couple, maybe like an hour. I've just been like letting my phone charge and chilling. I'm eating Pop-Tarts, the brown sugar ones, because they're the best. And you can find me on that, okay? So, what was I saying? I'm tired. I'm so freaking tired. I just did 4 hours of butterfly locks. They weren't like butterfly locks, they were distressed locks. I could have done butterfly locks, but honestly, she was tired, I was tired. Like, it was just a lot. I don't think y'all understand, like, natural styles take forever, and they take a certain amount of back strength that your girl just doesn't have today. So yeah, you guys, this wig battles Jelani. I really wish I was like in the mood to film what I did earlier today, because get into it. Like, what? I'm sorry if you hear my dog crying. He wants a part of my Pop-Tart because he's spoiled and I give him part of my Pop-Tart. I'm not going to work today. Today. Well, it's midnight. It's like, no. It's 1 o'clock on Saturday, so it's Saturday. Shush! But like, I've had clients cancel. Which was fine. It actually worked out really well because I'm gonna be the only one home tomorrow, so I get to be with my dad tomorrow. But plus we both have like a lot of packages coming in, so I'd rather bring home my own packages, you feel me? So yeah, if something occurs, I'll vlog for you guys. This vlog will just run into next week because yeah, I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna really try to go to bed. So it's later in the day. My big brother just left because I did his braids. Y'all saw it. I've done his braids several times, but I got 2 packages today. One, I got another hoodie. I'm gonna do an entire like video on what I got for the month of March, so stay tuned for that. It's gonna be like a little March haul. But I just looked out the door and I got a package from Elf. Yeah, I needed some new brushes. I was noticing that last time I did makeup. Well, earlier this week when I was doing makeup, I was like, girl, you keep saying that you need brushes, but every time you get the opportunity, you never buy them. So I bought them. I'm gonna open this box and show y'all. Okay, literally like 8 hours later. This box is actually really hard to open. But I got, sorry guys, I got the Elf Candy Cane 7-piece face and eye brush set. It just looked really pretty. Like, you see it? I thought it was just gonna be like the perfect display set, you know? Like, I don't even know if I want to use these, but they look gorgeous. And they're just like your basic ones. It says eyebrow duo brush, sculpting face brush, small stipple brush, powder brush, highlight, blending, concealer, eyeshadow C brush, retractable kabuki brush, contour kabuki brush. And they're like doing brush cleaning instructions.
So both of them are gonna be a pepper jack?
Yes, please. I think it's
Okay, so I've got a large vanilla with cherry, minus the cherry. I got a large cookies and cream minus the cherry. I got 2 spicy deluxes with pepper jack cheese.
There you go. And I still have my matcha Kit Kats.
Oh, snaps. Hey guys, I'm with Tiff. Look at the way the sun is hitting her skin, you guys. All my best friends are pretty. Either way.
I love it.
Hey guys, so we had a whole day today and I did not vlog because I'm kind of slow. And we're back at a parking lot across the street from Chick-fil-A where we started. And now we're at Panera.
We got it so both.
We have been to like Walmart and
TJ
Walgreens,
Maxx.
TJ Maxx. I'll do a haul for you guys later. But yeah, my bad, you guys.
I forgot.
But I have more stuff coming this week, so you guys will see me get tortured later on this week. Hey guys, so I'm home. I'm wearing my Above the Bar hoodie. Let me show you guys what I got from stores. Several stores. Beauty supply store first, because that's what I see. I got just some studs. Ooh. Yeah, just some studs. These are with the gold backs. And I got some more. Some are silver, some are gold. Just because, like, you can never have enough. And I personally can never have enough of these. And I wanted to have some earrings to wear. I needed some earrings to wear for vacation that I didn't care if they like fell off or something like that. So there's that. I got 2 wig caps, the same color. These are by a name I can't pronounce, but it's the ultra thin expandable wig caps and it's the deluxe ones. This is in the color it's not blonde. I think this is in the color light brown, I think. But yeah, I really love these caps. They're $1 at the beauty supply store. You do some. I wiped down all of my groceries, by the way, so there's that. Wyatt, sit down. Next, what else did I get? Oh, and I got some Jansen's Moisture Max Conditioner, the coconut milk and aloe vera by Camille Rose. It was $12.99, which is not that bad. This is an 8 ounce. I haven't even smelled it yet, but like, I love Camille Rose, so there's that. I got a little one because I have a little head, so. And then I also, from the beauty supply store, I kind of racked up, but not. I got my Wild Growth Oil. Y'all, I swear by this oil. I'm just putting it out there. If you want your hair to grow, this is what, this bad boy is what you use. It has, let's see. It says coconut oil, olive oil, jojoba, rice bran, cocoa butter, pomegranate, rose hip, and pumpkin seed, extracts of mushroom, chickpea, lentil, cocoa mass, and sesame seed, essential oils of sage, eucalyptus, frankincense, geranium, grapefruit, lavender, and peppermint. This stuff, it's not the best smelling, but boy, it feels so good. Granted, if you have a very active scalp, like I have an active scalp, so it makes my head itch a lot, but like it works so good. I'm trying to get my hair into like a growth spurt, so there's that. Then we went to Walgreens. We went to a lot of places, but like whatever. Well, no, Walmart first. I got this. I got the good caramel. If y'all don't know about this, I got this whipped cream and the Starbucks caramel macchiato cream, because you guys have seen me make coffee too many times for me to tell you, but this is the good caramel. Like, it was the very top shelf, so yeah, I had to finesse my way to get it, but I got it and it's good. Then at Walgreens, even though I did just get a whole new thing of elf brushes, it did not come with this one. I love this elf brush for my foundation. It is the ultimate blending brush. This brush is perfect for foundation. Like, there's no other. This one is my baby. So I had to get another one. I got some setting spray from elf. This is the matte magic mist and set. Super good. I might go back to get their like coconut mist, because that looked amazing, so I might go get that next. I'm sorry if I'm tongue-tied. I talk really fast sometimes. And then I got my lashes. I love Kiss lashes and I love Kiss nails. This is the Naked Drama in the style chiffon, but like it's so, look at these. Get close. Get a little close. I love these lashes. So pretty. But yeah, those are what I got today. But yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling and I'll see you guys later. Hey guys. So it is Thursday. No, oh my gosh. It's not Thursday, it's Saturday. Oh my gosh, I am losing days and time. It is Wednesday. I'm just taking in the trash right now. It's super bright and sunny and pretty. Me and mom are gonna go to the DMV so we can get our real IDs. The government is loud, and I don't even know if you guys can see me right now. Yeah, we're gonna go run some errands. I'm not gonna bring you guys into the DMV with me because I'm not gonna bring you guys into the DMV with me, but I will when we go like get groceries and stuff. Went to get a real ID because we all need to get our real IDs now, and mine was so outdated. Like, my ID was expired. So because I'm gonna go on this trip, I'm gonna go on a plane, I have to get, you know, hotel stuff. I actually really had to go and get those things done. Do you guys see the sun? Now the sun is out. Thank God I had on a jacket. But yeah, y'all, it was a really long adventure today, but we were literally just standing there. So I couldn't even, like, I could film, but there's nothing to film, like, out in the middle of nowhere, Illinois. So, yeah. Tomorrow, me and Tiff are doing a yoga day, as well as the sun in my skin. Oh, do you see that melanin? Ah! tomorrow me and Tiff are doing our spa day, so we're doing yoga. I'm gonna see if we can do some face masks while we do yoga, well, while we're meditating. And then we're going to go get pedicures. You guys are gonna see what's gonna happen. This video is like freaking long, so I don't know if I will talk to you guys anymore. So if I don't, I will see you all in my next one. But of course, you guys are gonna see the rest of my week. So yeah, bye.
Shoulder blades here. Okay, so let's hug ourselves.